Hi, and welcome back to the channel. For thousands of years, Asia was the epicenter of technology, invention, art, and civilization. This trend was interrupted a few centuries ago with the rise of Western Europe and then America. This interruption was partly due to the colonial tendencies of these newly risen Western countries. However, this interruption is coming to an end. With the resurgence of China and India and other great civilizations in Greater Asia. Today, let's focus on Yuxi Circle, a 4,000 kilometer diameter circle encompassing the staggering 55% of the world's population. This area is the largest producer and consumer market in the world and will continue to expand in the coming years and decades. Any country and company near this circle will benefit from the expansion of the consumer market in this region. Okay, let's go over the largest consumer market list. As you know, the largest consumer market now is China. But we want to see what are the largest consumer market by 2030. Before we dive into the list, let's define consumer. Who is considered to be a consumer? A consumer is classified as someone who spends at least $12 per day. So if someone is able to afford to spend $12 per day, at least $12 per day, that person considered to be a consumer. The top 20 largest consumer markets in 2030. We're gonna have China with 1.1 billion consumer by 2030, and that's a 15% increase from 2024. Meaning, by 2030, there are 1.1 billion people that can spend at least $12 per day. India is gonna be 773 million consumers by 2030, and that's a 46% increase. And we have other countries like Indonesia, Japan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Philippines, Thailand, Iran, and others. So, those countries in red are the countries that are either within the Yuxi Circle or very close to the Yuxi Circle. So as you can see, it's gonna be a huge consumer market in Yushi Circle right now and also in future in a few years by 2030. Mainstream media often emphasizes the North American market and the benefits of nearshoring. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that this market is shrinking relative to Asia's rise and the waning influence of the US dollar. This phrase often used in mainstream media. We need to bring production and supply chain where the customers are. Means we need to bring production and supply chains near the US and North America. Well, the consumers are in China and India. What analysts won't pay attention to is their recency bias, meaning that they think since in the past few decades the largest consumer has been the North American market, it will always be that way. The rise of Asia is promising a better, more equitable world for all humanity. Asian countries, which contributed to world civilization for many thousands of years, continue to do so in the 21st century.